Hey, I'm Laura. Do you have children or grandchildren that still play fun kitchen? We do. Totally we do. This is the grandbaby's kitchen, but I had to show you some of the toys that they love to put in it. Like this. And look how fun this is. It actually looks like it pours out. Goes back in, of course. Pours out. I don't know who has more fun with this. Grandma? Or the kids. There's lots of different kind of bottles, like your regular condiments, like the barbecue sauce. They also have the pour out section. Let me go into my shelf and take a look what else we have. We have several of them here. I didn't clean up their mess, but I was playing with these with the kids just a second ago and thought, you know what? These are so cute. We didn't have these for the olders. We've got 10 kids in this house. The older ones didn't have these fun toys. They actually used empty bottles from Mom's kitchen, but these ones are so cute with their things that pour out. Even the 1-year-old loves this because he's able to not pull it all the way out, but to have fun with it. So if you are in need of some fun kitchen items for the kids' room, this would be one that I would choose.